We recently hit 500,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we continue to get millions of views on our videos. With this, many people are curious about how much money I make from these viral videos. Since you probably want to be a YouTuber someday, little bro, I thought it would be helpful to show you what to expect on your journey. This is a video I made in July 2022, and as you can see, it started off with thousands of views before receiving hundreds of thousands in views over the course of the following year. Let me play the video for you just for your music reference. So, after 53 million views, 200K subscribers, and 244,000 hours of watch time, how much money did we make? Let's take a look at our RPM, or revenue per mile. In case you didn't know, RPM is a metric that shows how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. Around May to June, it really took off. Ads are one of the revenue sources that RPM is based on. Memberships on channels, YouTube, Premium, Super Revenue, Super Chat, and Super, because YouTube Shorts typically pay less than ordinary videos. Stickers have a very sad, terrible RPM of 2 cents. Ooh. When all of that is combined, we have an expected total revenue of $827.14 from July 2022 to November 2023. Indeed, and as you can see, I was getting paid pennies until it really took off in June. So while YouTube Shorts aren't very profitable, it doesn't mean you can't make a living off of them full time. In addition, I earn a lot of money from my other videos, which I also make a lot of money from. If you would like me to release the video showcasing my monthly earnings via YouTube, please leave a comment below.